Hi, I'm Steve from Rochester, New York, and this is my 2016 Chevy Silverado.
Alright, there it is.
Nice.
So, as you know, we got Nitto's XDs and the Ready Lift. So you picked out the 4-inch. So we got that in there, as you can see, nice and level. Just a little bit taller, so it's still gonna fit in the garage. Still easy in, easy out. You can still use your steps.
Beautiful.
Which just gives you enough clearance for the 20x10 XD grenades you get on there, and the 305/55 ridge grapplers.
Beautiful. Awesome job, man.